What's this? Angry Birds. You got an Angry Birds toy? You're a lucky puppy. I'm gonna get it. Ludi. Oh, you're tired? You gotta go get a drink. Let's see. Come here. I got Lucy an Angry Bird toy. Now I got Angry Bird hat. We're spoiled. I got my hat. I should find my shirt. I have an Angry Bird shirt too. I'm squeaking your toe, Lucy. Run it? Go get it! You like it, don't you? Why do you keep putting it in my bed? She keeps putting it up on the bed and then she runs away. Like she's hiding it there. You're pretty funny. Thirsty? Alright. I'm gonna turn this camera off. I'm gonna go get the bird out of my bed. And then we're gonna play some more. So, alrighty. Let's see. I wanna do something quick. Let's see if she can hear it. Lucy! I got it! I knew that would get your attention. Look what I got! You're pretty good at that. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Lucy! I got it! I don't know what she's doing now. Alright, I'm turning this off. Say goodbye, Lucy.